All right, welcome everyone. In this playlist, we're going to learn how to build real web applications using Python and the panel library, step by step from scratch. The goal here is simple. By the end of this series, you'll feel comfortable creating your own web interfaces using only Python without worrying about HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. Before we jump into coding, the very first thing we need to do is prepare our environment. We'll install a few Python libraries that we'll keep using throughout the entire playlist. Panel is our main tool for building web apps, and alongside it, we'll use some popular libraries for data handling, databases, and visualization. Don't worry about memorizing everything right now. We'll learn them naturally as we go. All right, now let's move into our first panel application. Here we start by importing panel and initializing it. This step is important because it tells panel to prepare everything it needs to run inside a web browser. Next, we create our application layout. Think of this part as stacking elements vertically on a web page. We add a title at the top, then a short description, and a friendly message explaining what this app is about. What's really cool here is that we're defining a web page layout using plain Python, no front-end code at all. Finally, we tell panel that this application is ready to be served. This means we're saying, hey panel, this is the app we want to show in the browser. Now comes the fun part. Let's run it. When you execute the command to serve the app, panel will start a local web server for you. After that, you'll see a web address printed in the terminal. Open your browser, go to that address, and boom, your first panel web application is live. You should see a clean page with a title, some text, and a welcoming message. And just like that, you've built a web app using only Python. In the next video, we'll go one step deeper and start understanding how panel actually works behind the scenes and how we can make our apps interactive and dynamic. So stay with me and let's keep building together.